Transformation time. I am an irresistible magnet that draws amazing things, and I am unstoppable. I am an irresistible magnet that draws amazing things. Now, I had to say that part because you could be an irresistible magnet that draws a bunch of garbage, okay? So when you are speaking your affirmations, you need to be specific about what it is you are calling into your space, into your universe. You have to be specific about what it is that you desire, okay? So I'm an irresistible magnet and I draw in amazing things, okay? I am unstoppable. I'm an unstoppable being, okay? I like that one. Ashe. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.